Hi everyone, welcome back to Island Mama, aka this is Trini in Calgary, bringing you another food video. Long time I didn't do food, huh? Okay, let's get started. Today we are making beef ribs. We are going to make it as simple as possible with very little ingredients and not even our favorite shadow benny. These are the ingredients that we need: baking soda, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of ketchup. You can also find keto ketchup in some supermarkets. I'll put a little bit of liquid smoke, salt, and a little bit of our beef bouillon. And that's it. Let's go. So let's talk about this. You may know this as a pressure pot. Long time it was shaped in a different way. Today it looks like this, or this brand is called Think Kitchen. You may have another brand called Instapot. It all works the same way as a pressure pot to tenderize your meat. Pretty simple instructions, and the basic thing is in your preparation of your meat, what you do. Let's add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon, 3/4 to 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. This depends on the size of ribs that you have. And lastly, 1.5 tablespoons of ketchup. We're going to mix it up and get a nice evenly coat of seasoning throughout. Let's stack our pot with our ribs now, not forgetting to scrape our initial bowl with all the seasonings because that's where the goodness is. Next, we are putting 1 cup of water in our meat. Basically, that's it. The pot is going to do the magic now, so we're putting it in our pot, timing it for 70 to 75 minutes, and then put it on. So you may want to check your pot, whether it is Instapot or Think Kitchen, or if it is a pressure pot, and it may vary in time. But as for Think Kitchen, 70 minutes is the ideal time to get that soft and nice enough to put onto a barbecue grill, or even to broil when it is finished, so that we can get a little char on that coating of it. And that's it. So 70 minutes. We're going to see you after a little bit. We're nearly done, so let's preheat our barbecue pit. Ta-da-da-da! Oh yes, by the looks of these things, it's gonna be great. We're gonna baste it to keep it moist and then put it on the grill. Don't worry, check the description for the recipe. While Chris is on the grill, I think a light stir-fried cabbage will complement our meat. And this is our date night dinner. What do you think? Hello.
Hello.
Yummy. A perfect date night with Chris and myself. Some delicious beef ribs, lightly sauteed red cabbage and onion, and some kimchi for digestion. Way to go. I would just like to acknowledge all my subscribers. Thank you very much for your support. I love food, I love travel, and I think that you love it too. If you have any requests, please send it to me, and let's get cooking together. See you on the next video.